Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is yet another collab, and this collab is hosted by the lovely Momdas from Momdas Handmade, and her co-host this month is Lisa Burningham. And Momdas does these challenges every month, and it's the useful DIY challenge that she has every month, and each month she has a different co-host. So for this challenge, it's the DIY Valentine's Day challenge, where you make a DIY pertaining to Valentine's Day and you post a video and show everyone what you made and how you made it. I would have a link for both their channels down in the description, and also the playlist for this challenge as well in the description, so feel free to check that out. Go to their channel, subscribe, show some love. Also, Momdas, she does a lot of DIY, both handmade and also decor pieces. She does a lot of sewing videos as well, and also budget friendly decors. Lisa Burningham, she does a lot of DIYs, organization videos, and also decor videos. So feel free to check them out. Also, don't forget to, if you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Feel free to hit that red subscription button if you haven't already, and also the notification bell, and let's jump right into this video.
These are the materials you would need for this project. I took the hearts out of the package and I took the skewer and I stuck it halfway through each of them. I did this for 2 packs and for all 8 of the hearts. I then took some of my PVA glue, you can use Mod Podge, and I brushed a thin layer onto the heart and then sprinkled with some of my glitter. I used 4 different types of glitter, colored glitter. I used red, 2 shades of pink, and also a white. I continued doing this for each of the hearts. I did 2 hearts. For each color, I just placed some more Mod Podge wherever I needed more glitter, and I sprinkled the glitter over that as well. And I did this for the entire heart. You can also use some hairspray to adhere the glitter so that it doesn't have as much fallout as it will have, and that will seal it in. In total, I did 8 hearts. And these picks is very easy, very quick. You can also purchase these, but I decided to make them because it was that simple to make. All I had to buy was the hearts, and I had everything else on hand, and I find it turned out pretty amazing, and I'm using them for my Valentine's Day tree topper. If you would like to see that video, leave a comment down in the comment section. For the next project, I use my cedar strip. I cut it down into 4 pieces. I would have the measurements in the description below, and I just cut 4 pieces, 2 by 2, and I made 2 pieces the same length, and I just took some of my wood glue and I glued them together. I'm just measuring to make sure that it doesn't have any gaps, because this wood isn't as smooth or as straight on the edges. And here you see me just cleaning off any excess glue. I then took some of my paint. You can use whatever color paint you choose to. You can also stain these. I used red, white, and pink paint, and I paint each of the pieces on either side, and I did 2 coats. I did 6 altogether, 2 for each color. And these are just so amazing, so easy. You can also use these as little mini wooden plaques for your tree as well. If you're like me and you're doing a Valentine's Day tree, This is what I'm using them for, as mini wooden plaques as ornaments. So I let it dry between coats. Once I had both coats dried completely, I took some sandpaper and I just sanded the edges to give it that somewhat of a rustic farmhouse look. And I did this for all 6 pieces. Once all the pieces were sanded and dried, I did 2 in each size and in 3 different colors. I just handwritten some words, some Valentine's Day sayings, and I took some of my paint and my paintbrush and I painted on exactly what it is I wanted. I painted on to the saying. I also added some jute string so that I can hang these onto the tree with some hot glue. You can also use a silhouette or a cricket if you have that, or even some wall decals. And if you don't have a silhouette or a cricket and not the perfect handwriting as well, you can also purchase those decals on Etsy. It has a lot of channels here on YouTube that do sell on Etsy, so you can purchase from them. I would have the link to the Daily DIYer. She has a lot of decals on her Etsy store for sale, so you can use those. This part was very time consuming, but the finish piece is amazing. I just did an array of different scenes pertaining to Valentine's, and I love how these turned out. They look so cute. So if you love this video, give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section below, and also share with your friends and family because it really helps me out a lot. And I would see you guys in the next one. Bye.